everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Today I'd like to talk to you about an eyeshadow palette that I recently got, and I think it's a pretty palette. I really do. It is by Urban Decay and it is their Born to Run eyeshadow palette. When I saw this, I knew I had to have it. So when it came out, I bought it, and I bought it off the Urban Decay website, and it cost $49 and you get 21 shades in here. And here's what the outside looks like. It's real pretty. It comes in a really hard case container. I mean, this is really good to travel. It is a really nice package right here, pretty strong. Now this palette, Born to Run, they have it themed as like a travel-friendly eyeshadow palette, and I think it is. And I like the pictures. Look at those pictures. Those are places I've been to or that I want to go to. And here's the back side of it right there. This is where I want to lay it right here. And this is what I want to have in my hand. And I love this shot. I've taken a picture like this before while we're driving in the car, you know, taking a picture of where you've been. So it has a collage, you know, of vacation spots. I mean, again, actually, I think I want to be right here. Right here, and then sleep right here. I mean, one can only dream. But it's really neat how they did the outside cover of this palette. Now this is my first Urban Decay eyeshadow palette. I do not have any of the Naked palettes. The Naked 1, 2, 3, and Heat, and I believe there's maybe one or two more. But I don't have any of those, so this is my first experience with the Urban Decay formula. And I don't know if it's the same formula as the Naked palette since I haven't used those, but I really do like the outside concept with using like vacation spots. I mean, I'm just sitting here looking at like, where do I want to go? And you know, I like this shot right here of using an actual paper map. Yeah, you know, back in my day, we didn't have our phone and Google Maps and whatnot. We actually had to go and get a map and then try to refold that sucker. Yeah, I remember those days. Pretty much needed a degree to refold that map, but now we have technology. It does have a magnetic closure, so when you open it up, it folds all the way back. So it'll be easier to use. And here are the colors that are in this palette. And the mirror is a nice sized mirror. It does have the Urban Decay Born to Run kind of etched on the mirror, and it is a nice sized mirror. I do wish that they can put like a little bit of a zoom mirror in there, you know, just for my aging eyes so we can kind of see it better, but this quality mirror is really nice. It really is. There are 21 shades in here with mixtures of mattes, shimmers, and metallics. And I believe there are 8 mattes in here. There are a couple in here that has a little bit of a shimmer to it, but you can probably still use it as a matte. And a couple of metallic shades that are really nice. I'm wearing this palette on my lids right now, and I'm going to put a little video of how I applied this look. And with the selection of the colors here, I think you could pretty much take this with you to travel, and you can make several looks. You can make like an easy daytime look all the way down to a smoky eye nighttime glam look. You've got transition shades, you've got outer corner shades, you have lid shades. I mean, yeah. Now the color scheme in this one, it is a little different. I don't have a lot of these colors in my collection. Maybe a few as the transition shades, but if you look on this side, at least for me, for my collection, I don't have many of these shades. So when I saw this palette, yeah, I thought it was a beautiful palette and I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. I don't know, the colors that they chose here, it does look like vacation colors. I don't know, that's just me thinking. Like take the bottom row for instance. The bottom row kind of looks like a beach theme, you know, especially these two colors right here. And the top row looks like, you know, like the desert, I guess you can say. And the middle row, it can go either way. It can go like a sunset type of a vacation, or like Purple Mountain's Majesty. That's what I see when I see that middle row. Because you've got a forest green here, and the purples and sunset warm colors. And probably in the center, it does look like a city kind of a vacation. I don't know, that's just me talking. So yeah, this is a really nice selection of colors in this palette. Okay, let me swatch these for you. In the first row, you have Breakaway, Stranded, Blaze, Weekender, Still Shot, Riff, and Good Is Gone. Middle row, you have Hell Ride, Baja, Accelerate, Guilt Trip, Ignite, Smog, and Wanderlust. Bottom row, you have Wild Heart, Punk, Double Life, Jet, Drift, Radio, and Big Sky. So the colors in this palette, I kind of like. I mean, these two right here, Radio and Big Sky, look at those right there. And these are the two that I have on my lid right now. And this one here, Drift, I can't wait to use that one. That one, it looks like, I don't know, like a steel color. Yeah, I can't wait to use that one. Now let's get into the video of how I got this look. Alright, let's go ahead and start playing. I already primed my eyes using the Benefit Stay Don't Stray primer, eyeshadow primer. So I went ahead and did that first, and I'm going to set it. And the first one I'm going to use is this one right here in the middle, Weekender. So we're going to set my primer with that. Really excited about using this eyeshadow palette. And using my favorite blending brush. This is the Morphe B13. Love this one. Let me start with this one right here, Still Shot. Let me try that one. Okay, not much kick up, which is good. Still have some color on the brush. And I'm just going to put that, starting as my transition color, and just put that above my crease. Oh, that is a pretty color. That is a pretty color. Is it blending well? Yeah, it seems to be blending well. Yes. Using a windshield wiper motion and just, blend it all in. Blend, blend, blend. Let me go into Riff too. Let me try that one. Let's just have some fun and play with a lot of colors. And I'm also going to put that on top of Still Shot and see how that looks. But still a little bit slightly below. Because you still want to see a little bit of the Still Shot. And I pulled my hair back today. I know it looks kind of funky. It's already coming off. Maybe I should just go ahead and take it off. Let me just fix my hair here. And with nothing on this brush, I'm just going to blend it out together. I'm going to try this without doing any tape this time. See how that would work. Next, I'm going to use my Wayne Goss number 16 brush. And I think I'm going to go into Baja right here, this orangey shade. I mean, so far there's hardly a kick up here whenever you dip your brush in. And then I'm just going to put this one a little bit below the first two colors that I used, right in the crease, maybe a little bit higher, but yeah. That is a pretty color. Yeah, let me go a little bit higher than the crease. Oh, that is a pretty color. And I like this brush because it has like a tapered end, so you can really get in the crease. That is very pigmented. That Baja is a very pigmented color. That is real pretty. And I like to look down, and that way you can kind of see where the placement of the color, where you kind of need to add more or blend more. Take what I say as a grain of salt, because I'm not a makeup artist. This is just me. I'm watching other YouTubers, and I'm a learn as you go kind of gal. It's all fun though. It is all fun. Playing with makeup is fun. Taking the first brush and just blending it all out. So there's no harsh lines there. Next, I'm going to take this brush by Wayne Goss again. This is the number 20. Yes, number 20. This one's a little bit smaller. And I want to concentrate more on the outer V. And I'm going to use this pretty mauve-y burgundy color right here. It's called Hell Ride. And I'm just going to concentrate right here on the outer V and in the crease. And just bring it up. And then whatever is left on the brush, just bring it inside a little bit more, just to give it a little bit of edge there, a little bit of color. Oh, I hope this look turns out good. Okay, then blending it out again. These colors are pretty. These colors are pretty. Look at that. All right, now let's play with some shimmers and metallics here. I really do want to play with these two, and I know there's a lot of videos out there using these two colors, and I want to use it, so I'm going to try these. I mean, even Drift is a pretty color for the lid. I think that'd be pretty too. Ooh, okay. No, I'm going to use these two. I'm going to use these two. I'm going to use Big Sky right here, and I'm going to put that in the inside corner of my lid. Now, let me use a flat shader brush and see how that will work. And this is the Sigma E55, the flat shader brush here. All right, let's see how this would work. Oh, that is a pretty color. That is a pretty, like, greenish aquamarine blue. Greenish blue, I guess. Okay, not bad, not bad. Next, I'm going to go into Radio and put that in the middle part of my lid, and using the same brush, but on the other side. Just dip that into that. Ooh, let's see. Let's hope here. And just kind of blend that in with Big Sky. And then bring that all the way out to the corner. You know, let me try my finger. Let me use my finger. Sometimes with these metallic shades, I like to use my finger. That way you get a little bit more oomph to it. Yes, I do see the oomph in this one now. Then I took the Wayne Goss brush and just kind of blended in the crease right there, just so there won't be any harsh lines. You know, I do have to say that Radio is not as metallic as I'd like it to be, but it is a pretty color. But Big Sky, wow, that one's my favorite color so far, of the colors that I used. And there's hardly any fallout, so that is good. All right, let me finish putting the rest of my makeup on, and I will be right back. So yeah, that was the finished look, and I am really pleased with this look. This is a different look for me. I'm not used to getting into this much color, but I'm kind of digging it. I mean, it's kind of fun. Yeah, I do like this palette. I really do like this palette. I like the outside of it. I love the pictures. I mean, I could just look at it and just say, yeah, I've been there. That's one of the places I want to go. I definitely want to go here. Yeah, Big Ben here, and like I said before, I want to be right here. Lay on the beach right here and sleep here. So Shokit, if you're listening, they blended out very well together. It didn't get muddy on me, and there wasn't hardly any fallout underneath my eye here, which is really good. And again, they blended out very well. I mean, I think this is my favorite eye look so far. So far. Usually I go for the neutrals and the browns and the reds, but this one, yeah, I'm digging this look. It's different, it's beautiful, you can see the colors, it's not muddy at all, but yeah, I think this is my favorite color. I think we'll probably go out to eat tonight. Yeah, I want this town to see it. And watch, of course, I'll go someplace and I won't see anybody I know. Isn't that always the case? And then I go to Walmart without any makeup on and I see the half of the town there. But yeah, like I said, the colors blended out very well. And I'm looking forward to trying more colors with this, more looks with this, especially Drift. I can't wait to try that one. Now, I do have to say, I watched one of my YouTube friends, Mary from Glitzy Fritzy, and I'll link her channel down below. If you haven't seen her, I mean, you have to check her out. She is wonderful. And I follow her on Instagram, and she went to Sephora to swatch it, and she mentioned one or two colors that didn't have that much, you know, metallic shimmer in there. And yes, you're right, Mary. I did notice that with this one, Radio. Radio didn't have enough oomph in there, but it still looked okay for the outer corner of my eye. But this color right here, Big Sky, that one got a lot of oomph to it. I don't know. I just love this look. I just love this look. And I love this palette. So yeah, I can see myself taking this with me to travel. It comes in a nice hard case to protect the shadows. You've got a range of colors here that can work with any look. You've got your transition shades. You've got beautiful metallics, beautiful lid shades. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this palette. I mean, like I said, this is my favorite look right now. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video about the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I am really liking this palette. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.